Hey guys, while you might know that sugar is really sweet and enhances taste, did you know that it can be dangerous too? So let me take you through some basic facts about the sugar before seeing the health hazards of this sweet ingredient. So let's get started. You might start rethinking that one soda a day habit, as mouth-watering as an icing-topped cupcake is. We should all know by now that sugar isn't exactly healthy. In fact, it may be one of the worst things you can eat if you're trying to live a long and healthy life. One study from San Francisco found that drinking sugary drinks like soda can age your body on a cellular level as quickly as cigarettes. The way the sweet stuff impacts your body is way more complex than just causing weight gain. In fact, when you eat a ton of sugar, almost every part of your body feels the strain. And that's a bad news for your health in both short term and especially the long term. From an initial insulin spike to upping your chances of kidney failure down the road, this is what really happens in your body when you load upon sugar. Your brain responds to sugar the same way it would do to cocaine. Eating sugar creates a surge of feel-good brain chemicals called dopamine and serotonin. So using certain drugs like cocaine, and just like a drug, when you eat sugar, your body craves more after the initial high. You then become addicted to that feeling. So every time you eat it, you want to eat more. And then your insulin spikes to regulate your blood sugar. Once you eat glucose, your body releases insulin, a hormone from your pancreas. The insulin's job is to absorb the excess glucose in the blood and stabilize sugar levels. And a little while later, you get that familiar sugar crash. Once the insulin does its job, your blood sugar drops again. This means you have just experienced a sugar rush and then a drastic drop, leaving you feeling drained. In fact, eating too much sugar can make you feel tired a lot. Feeling sluggish all the time or always being hungry or thirsty can all be signs you have been binging on a little too much sugar. Your body's physiological response is to send out enough insulin to deal with all the sugar, and that can have a sluggish effect. Additionally, if you are eating only simple sugars, you will feel hungry and tired because you are not getting enough of the other nutrients to sustain your energy like proteins or fibers. You may start to notice you are putting on some extra weight. The equation is pretty simple. Excess sugar equals excess calories equals excess weight in the form of fat. Not only do high sugar foods pack a ton of calories into small amounts, but they contain almost no fiber or protein. So you often end up eating much more before you feel full, which is a dangerous cycle. If you are just eating sugar, you may be gaining weight but still feeling hungry. You could easily gain a half kilogram over a week from eating one candy bar and half-liter soda each day. Eating too much sugar can lead to obesity. Our high sugar diets are a big part of why more than 30 million Indians are clinically obese. And obesity can lead to insulin resistance, which ramps up blood sugar levels and causes diabetes. When you are overweight or obese, your cells become resistant to the normal effects of insulin and struggle to absorb glucose from the blood to use for energy. So your pancreas goes into overdrive to produce more insulin, but despite the excess insulin trying to do its job, the cells still do not respond and accept the glucose, which ends in excess sugar floating around in your bloodstream with nowhere else to go. Above normal blood glucose levels are called prediabetes. By the way, if you are watching the video, a sub to the channel would be extraordinary. When blood sugar levels reach even higher, that's type 2 diabetes. If you are ready to eat less sugar, simply reading nutrition labels is a good way to start. But the basic fact is there's no right amount of sugar you should be consuming. Added sugar is packed into so many foods that you would never really think about. Always choose the option that has the least amount of sugar in it. If you have juice or soda, choose water. Choose whole fruits instead of drinking the juice. The sugar content is less concentrated and the fiber helps your body break it down more effectively. And choose whole foods to naturally limit the amount of sugar in your meals. The more you stay away from processed foods, the better off you will be. So that is it for today guys. I hope that my explanation was clear and you were able to understand. So hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.